Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Folake Craft Studio. Today I want to show us how to cut a simple gown, freehand gown for an elderly woman or a grandma. You know, too much like the young ones. So I'm having a 2.5 years of Ankara here. I'm having a 2 years of Ankara here. 2.5. So I'll be using it to cut just straight gown for a grandma. So I just want us to see the way I'll be cutting it. So I'm doing a gown, simple gown for a grandma. So the nape, from the neck to the nape is 18. I mean to the bust is 18. To the waist is 18, sorry. Y to the bust is 9.5. The upper bust, and 12. The neck with 3. The shoulder is 3. Then down, I don't want it to be open too much. I'll be taking 6. Round neck. Then to soldier is 5. Let me use 3. 4.5 in case of sewing. While the length is 46. So it's 44 like this. The length of the Ankara is 44. It's still okay. And now we have to take the shape. Don't forget I'm sewing for a grandma. So I won't, the waist is the weight is 15. 28. 15. So I won't like, it's for a grandma, it's not for a lady, so it should not be too much tight fitting. And to give it a shape, let me take 14. So to the hip is 60. So quarter will be 15. I've added seam allowance. So I will now cut it straight down. Meanwhile, I've added that. This is our dart here. I've added that to. This is our dart here. So I'm going to go straight to cutting now. So easy, just a simple gown. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. Is there any question you want to ask? Can you see? So let me remove the neck. Can you see? Oh, look, see the way you see what you are doing. Did you? We have to place the front that we have cut after we have folded the Ankara to two. Then I place the parts, the front I have cut, place it to bring out the back. Now I'm not going to leave any zip. I'm not putting zip, but at the same time if I want to put zip, I still can introduce zip, invisible zip there, but I might not put zip. So I just want to show you how to quickly cut the back. So we are using 3.5 for the neck. So we draw the neck down a little bit. We draw the neck down. Then we now go to this soldier. We draw it out just the way we did for the front. The only difference is the neck. So I will start cutting now. Let me take my scissors. I don't want the neck to drop. Meanwhile, I will be using this dog face to do. I'm using this dog face. It's of the same color to do Canadian sleeve, Canadian smoking sleeve. As time goes on, I will show you the design. I'm using it for the sleeve. So let me finish cutting it. Just want to show you how to cut a straight gown fit. But for an elderly person, for grandma, just something straight that will just bring their shape. Okay. So this is the way it's going to look. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, Shining Folake Craft Studio, please do. See you next time.